Come on, Doze. Come on. Come on, Dodie. Come on, Jack. Let's get up here. Come on up here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Doze. Come on, Jack. Come on, Dozer. Over here. Come here, Dozer. Dozer. Come on. Come here, Dozer. Come on. Almost. Come here. Come here. Oh, Jack, shut up. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, Dozer. Come on, Jack. Let's go. Come on, Jack. Come on. Let's go. Get up here with everybody else. You on your own turn. Go. Go, Doze. Go, Doze. Hey! Hey! See, I gotta play referee. They won't get into a fight. Me being the pack leader, I can't allow conflicts to get up to a point. That's what I'm supposed to do. The pack leader does not allow the pack to fight. Jack attempts to stop him from time to time. He ends up getting himself more trouble than he does actually stopping whatever's taking place. Alright, back to paying attention to them. If I see something else funny, I'll take a flip. Hey! Get off of him! Those are just ridiculously fast. You just missed that. It is not fair how much faster he is than all of them. I've never seen a pit bull that actually can run this fast. Go. Go. Go, Dote. Go. Go, Dodie. Go, Jack. Go, Bikini. Go. Get off of her, Dozer. Dozer. Come on, Bikini. Where you at? Come on. But I miss out on being able to take them in the dog park as the four of them. They make up as having each other. They may play rough with each other. That's only play. Yeah, I don't allow them to skirmish or have fights or anything like that. But the four of them, they are a family. I'm just the guy who drives them from place to place and picks up their food. Basically my kids. And all these leaves they're eating will end up being in their shit when I gotta clean it up tonight. Quit eating all them damn leaves. Dozer, spit out. Spit it. Come here. Spit it. Yeah, there you go. Get Dozer. Come on. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. There you go. Go on, Dozer. Go, Dodie. Follow Dozer. Go. Go. Dozer. Go. Go, boy. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. They finally tired. Y'all missed it. Go. Go, Bikini. Go. Go down the slide. Go. Go. I get lucky like this once in a while. Get the playground out to myself. No kids out here right now. Alright, that was fun. Everybody had their enjoyment. Our good time was almost ruined by some idiot letting their dogs run through the park without a leash. Now that's one thing. It's a small dog. It's obviously not going to cause anybody or anything any serious harm. My dogs are a pack. As I stated before, they're friendly until an aggressive action is taken towards them. When the dog ran up on them, in the dog world, that is an aggressive action. It ran up on them with its tail raised. That is an aggressive action. Dogs, before they approach other dogs, if they're not meaning to be aggressive, it's a series of pauses where they turn their head away, slowly approach, sniff the ground. They show that they're not trying to attack. This dog ran head first towards 4 pit bulls. And when I asked the lady to leash her dogs, she accused me of having aggressive dogs. But your dog ran up on my dog. And by the way, county ordinance states that you need to have your dog leashed. And see, if one of my dogs would have did something to that dog, they would have been trying to come at me for having aggressive dogs. But the lady broke the city ordinance stating that all dogs should be leashed. It's clearly posted in that park in multiple places. But that's one of the things that you have to go through being the owner of pit bulls. And I said it before we came out, that I couldn't take time to film us as we walked and did a lot of different things, so I have to be constantly aware of stuff like that. And that was a prime example. That was a prime example. Because I was alert, paying attention, I was able to prevent an incident. That's how it is when you own pit bulls. That's part of the thing about being a responsible owner. You have to be more responsible than the other people around you. Because no matter what, your dog's gonna be at fault because they're pit bulls. Dodie, Dozer, come on, let's go. Let's find their dish. Alright, as I said before, I use a pretty good dog food that doesn't use corn filler. Thing about corn filler, corn holds no nutritional value to a dog. Dog gets no nutrition out of corn. Back. All it does is fills up their stomach. It doesn't provide any nutrition. Going with a better dog food that doesn't use corn filler, you can feed them less and get still even a better nutritional value. Dodie, sit. Those are sit. They're not allowed to get into the food till I tell them it's okay. So they normally just sit and wait. I feed Dodie and Dozer first, then I feed Bikini and Jack around 8 o'clock. Dozer, sit. I put a little bit of water in it, you know. Give it a little bit of flavor. Look at Dodie. Please tell me yes. Please tell me yes. Wait, Dodie, I didn't say go. All right, go ahead. Jack, get out of their food. Now Jack tries to. He's unofficially the alpha member of the dogs, so he's always trying to get their food, and they're not going to stop him. Actually, once he puts his face in the bowl, they'll both leave it. They don't want any problems with him. And he doesn't be aggressive towards them. It's just, I noticed that's how the dog packs are. The alpha isn't the most aggressive dog. He's just a dog with the strongest will. Come on, Jack. So this is what I do to distract them while they eat. Get a little bit of food on the floor. Give them a little hide and seek. A little Easter egg hunt, so to say. So while they go around looking for all the food, it gives them time enough to eat their food. And they usually eat pretty fast. No fighting, no nothing. This is how they've been eating since they was a puppy. Actually, they won't eat no other way. They always share everything with each other. Jack! Stop. Dodie, get out of there. I'll give you one more handful. Wait, sit. Sit. I said wait. Ha. Ha. Wait, Dodie. Wait. Go ahead. And that's feeding time with Dodie and Doza. You see their weight, they're not skinny. They're not underweight, not by a long shot. Doza's about 82, 83 pounds. Jack's about 70 pounds. Bikini's about 70. Dodie's about 65. 60, 65. I have to regulate their food or they become overweight. Bikini is just coming back down to a reasonable weight. She was about 78, 80 pounds, and she looked like a beached whale. I had to diet her, exercise her heavily to get her weight back down to a manageable level. But now everybody's eating. Back to the second favorite activity. It involves laying in my bed and doing nothing. These are pit bulls hard at work right here. This is them really hard at work right here.